La 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 la. I'm sorry, I can't get it.
Try something different. Why not hum that song, that lullaby?
You know I don't like to.
Trust me. Now imagine your best friend. Imagine a world without him. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Something's different.
Yeah. I feel like a new person.
You're a detective. Do the search.
Let me get this straight. You say his numbers disappeared and all traces of him have left his supposed address.
He's missing.
I think it's more than just missing. There's no record of him.
I have photos.
That's you. You're not the Seer.
No. You time cops keep ruining everything.
Run! Go! Your friend disappeared, didn't he? You're starting to see strange things? Flashes of the future?
Yes, yes. What's going on?
You can see multiple universes and the ones you don't choose collapse. You're a Seer. He needs you dead. Go. I'll slow him down. Go!
You can't kill us. There are thousands after me. You can't kill her either.
She could kill billions.
You really don't know, do you?
You're starting to see strange things? Flashes of the future? You're a Seer.
We're already here.
Come on, Dick, trust me. There are fates worse than death. Run! You're seeing potential futures, aren't you? Okay, I need you to stop seeing, relax, and clear your mind. Run! 1, 2, 3, go!
Search to the fourth perimeter. You can't have taken her far.
What just happened? What's happening to me?
You're a murderer. Every time you collapse a reality, they disappear.
My friends?
It's my job. I'm a time cop. I keep the timeline safe from people like you.
Get away from me.
There's not much time left. You don't want to be with them. You've seen it. They'll be here any minute.
We're already here.
Come with us, Pauline. We can help you.
I've killed my friends.
We can help you.
I'm a murderer.
We can help you.
You know the future with them.
Pauline, tell us who taught you that lullaby.
My father.
You're going to kill your own daughter.
Father?
He was, is, and will be.
You can't let her live. They'll never allow that. But if she comes with us...
Go.
We ought to thank you. After all, without you, she wouldn't exist.
Everybody thinks I'm just an ordinary girl, but I'm undercover officer intruder to this world. From a distance, or from afar, we're from the group they call us real rock stars. Now why you jumping like you wanna start something? For real? Now why you frontin'?
Now when we come, we bring the new Star Wars, breaking down doors as you letting down your guard. So Mayor, it's messing with your daughters. No contest, we bringing home applauses. We are soldiers from afar, spreading messages of a new generation cause. Bringing it down with a plan of assault. Yeah, we fitted with weapons so intelligent we afford.
So soon